Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cannoli shells without tubes. Use a rolling pin to roll dough very thin, cut 3 5-inch circles, wrap each circle around a wooden dowel or slender bottle, and securely seal the edge with egg wash before frying. Fry in hot oil until golden brown, cool completely, then pipe in filling just before serving for best crispness and texture. Chill your dough thoroughly. That makes rolling easier and helps shells hold shape when fried. Work quickly so butter stays cold and the dough remains flaky. Roll to consistent thinness and use a cutter for uniform circles, and always rest shaped shells briefly in the fridge if they become too soft before frying. Use tools at hand like a wooden dowel or glass bottle to replicate commercial tubes effectively. Keep oil steady at about 350 degrees F so shells cook evenly and stay crisp rather than oily. After frying, let shells cool completely on a rack before filling to prevent soggy cannoli and for a professional crunch when served.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.